Ano? Daming mga ay, nag-walking. Crocodile, nag-walking. Nakatakot. Buhaya. Buhaya. Ang laki. Ang laki na alligator. Hello guys, papasok tayo dito sa world, ay, crocodile of the world. Welcome to crocodile. Woo! Crocodile guys. Fern. Ang daming fern again. Wherever I go, the fern is there. Ang ganda ng fern, oh. Rubber tree. Nice fern. Gusto ko talaga yung fern. So, yun, oh.
How big they are?
What?
You get a little one at the top, a dwarf one.
Yeah, dwarf.
Not too bad. Then you get the American alligator, and then you get the saltwater crocodile. 6.1 meters long, look at it.
Human, 1.2. Ouch. They're alive. Oh, they're still alive. The other one there, look. Tago. Oh, tulog na siya. Big crocodile.
That's a dwarf crocodile. That's a small one.
Oh, fish. He will bite. Oh my god, there's a snake. Oh my god. Oh, nakatakot. Oh my god. There's a snake, I saw a snake. Oh my god, look at the snake. Oh, dalawa there. Nagtago. Nakatakot. Another snake. Yan, nagtatago. Yan.
An emerald tree boa. Another one down the corner.
Oh dear, may snake. Look. Kung wala yan sa salamin, natatakot na ako yan. What's that in there? Nothing.
There's one of those monitor things. You put the old food into
Alligator.
the
Ah, nako, I don't want to go there. If they will attack me. Do not risk children. Children's message. Oh my god. No. Why? There's no glass. Alligator. Oh my god. Oh, there's a... Oh my god. Stop only there. Staff only. Gago.
Look at the size of that one.
Oh my god. It's so big. Yan guys, nakita
I
nyo.
think if you go over there, you don't have to look through the glass. You get better.
Tingnan nyo guys, ang crocodile. Ang laki. Ayan o. Ay, naku. Oh, nandun sa dulo oh. Naggalaw-galaw siya sa dulo. Ayun oh. Hindi pala siya masong. Ayun ang laki oh. Crocodile, ang laki. Oh my god, nakatakot. No climbing, alligators, kids.
Alligators love kids, but they're hard to digest, so please do not climb one.
It's hard to digest, so please do not. It's hard to digest if you eat him. If they eat him, they will kill him. Laki. Maliit na alligator guys. Crocodile. Crocodile embryo. Ay, this walking. Buaya. There. Yeah. Snake is a big one. Big snake guys. Oh,
There's the snake.
oh very big.
That's very big.
Tago. Tago yung snake oh. Katakot. You can only crocodiles, so crocodiles in the world. Oh dear. Hindi guys. Oh. Wow, green.
There he is, look, he's moving. Green tree.
Oh, turtle. Hindi ka ang turtle.
That's also like another critical.
Oh, crocodile.
And they hatch, they're almost like, because they're
Here's another one in there.
turtles are really, like, they'll hatch like in like hundreds and thousands, all in like a bank of them.
Ay, di ka lang small. Baby, tiny
I
baby.
feel like all the animals are like,
Tiny baby.
it's perfect.
Tiny baby.
I don't know if, I don't know much about like mammals and stuff.
What's that in here?
If you want them apparently. One of them yellow things on green thing.
Where are they?
Hiding.
Is that real? Is it real? Is it real?
Put your hand in and find out.
No, I don't want it. It looks like real. Why did it fall down that one then? Where's the bite? There's no, this is bite. Is that,
Warning, these animals may bite.
so is that
These animals may bite.
Napatakbo ako guys, akala ko totoo yan, oh. Ooh!
That's what the mother makes to make you frightened. And that's what the chicks make.
Ooh! Scary. Nakakatakot. Ooh. Ah! Good. Oh my god, it's so big. Hello guys, tingnan nyo yung crocodile, nakakatakot. Takot ako sa snake, takot ako sa crocodile. Mga buhaya sa amin. Ay, may banana. Oh, this is a banana leaves. Like, wala po. Banana leaves, look.
That's banana.
Yeah. Uy, la. Bakit ganyan ang uso? Uy. La. Siding. Tago. Katakot. Tago ang crocodile. Doon, no? Di naglangoy. Ito, lumangoy. Uy, ay, isang laki. Wala guys, ang laki. Look. Ang laki niya, oh. Meron pa isa doon, oh. Yun. Ang laki. Uy, nakakatakot. Katakot. Nagtago guys, so nagtago.
They stay so still, don't they?
Nagtago ang crocodile.
And then they move like this. They stay still and then they go.
Nakatakot. Isda at saka crocodile nagsama. Mayroon doon guys, oh, nakapatong. Ayun, nakapatong. Ayun, nakapatong sa ano, like Sleeping Beauty. Ayun, nakakatakot. Ayun, mayroong isa, oh. Ayun, nag-isang haba. Gago, akala ko totoo. my God, isa na. Oh, nakakawali. Oh my God, isa na. Humid, yan, humid. Gusto nila mainit-init. Ayan, ang dami. Isa na. Wala, di ba na? Laka na lang, isa na. Good drop my phone. Ano ba yung Ito, ang daming buhaya guys. Oh. Crocodile. Ang dami. Ayun, natutulog sila. Oh. Yan. Dami. Oh, natutulog. Nakakatakot. World crocodile. Ang dami nila. Ayan oh. Ay naku, huwag lang mahulog ang aking phone. Nakagat ka talaga. Nakakatakot. Oh, dami nila. Dami oh. Buhay yan lahat. Look at that. Scary. Ang daming crocodile. Nasa loob yan guys. Nagtatago. These are the eggs of crocodile.
Eggs.
Crocodiles of the world. Ang dami. Oh, that is so big. Long. Crocodile. Ang laki.